Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing a program on merging of two single dimensional arrays. Now what does the term merging means? It is a process of combining or concatenating the elements of two sorted arrays into a third array. Suppose the two arrays are x and y. The elements of x are 4, 6, 12 and 17. So x is of size 4. Okay, I have declared it like this. Then y is of size 5. And the elements are 8, 13, 15, 18, 25. As we can see from this example that the arrays x and y are sorted. If we want to merge x and y into an array z, then first of all their sizes should be added, which will be the actual size of z. So the actual size of z will be 9, and then we will be comparing each element and merge the sorted arrays and write them in z. So 4 and 8 will be compared, whichever is smaller will be written here. 4 is written, then 6 and 8 will be compared, 6 is smaller is written over here. Then 12 and 13 is compared, 8 is smaller, it is written over here. Then again 12 and 13, 12, then 13, then 15, 17, 18 and 25. So this is how the array Z will look. So what we are going to do? We are going to merge two arrays X and Y which are sorted into a third array Z. So two things we have to remember, that to find the length of the third array, it should be the sum of the lengths of the first two arrays, and the third array should also be sorted in the same order as the first two arrays. This is how we will do merging of elements. Now I will write a program and show you practically. Now children, I will be doing the merging of two single dimensional sorted arrays practically here. First of all, I will write import java.util.asterisk. Next I will write the name of the class, let me say merge. Then public static void main string args. Then scanner class object will be declared. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Then I am declaring a few variables int n, m, I, j, k. Then I am writing system dot out dot println. Enter the size of first array. Then in the variable n, I am taking the size of the first array, m equals to sc dot next int. Then again the same statement, I am copying it from here. Shift and Control C, Control V. Enter the size of the second array. I am changing it here. And here the variable used is n. Then I will be declaring the arrays. Int a equals to new int m. This is the first array. The second array is int b equals to new int n. And the third array is int c equals to new int m plus n. The third array C will be merging the first two arrays. Now I will be entering the elements of the array. System.out.println. Enter elements of first array. For I equal to 0, I is less than, the size is m. So it will go till m minus 1. A of I equals to SC dot next int, next int. Then system dot out dot println enter size of second array. Sorry, elements of second array. It should not be size, it should be elements here. Again, the same statement. System spelling is wrong here. Then the spelling of second is also wrong. I'll do this correction. For I will be taking the j loop here. J equals to 0. J is less than the size of second array is n. Then b of j equals to sc dot next int. Now what we are going to do? We are going to compare both the arrays and reverse both arrays. That means one number from the first array and one number from the second array will be compared. So again I have initialized I to 0 and j to 0. Now what I am doing, while I is less than n and I is less than m and j is less than n. If a of I is less than b of j, first element of the array A and first element of array B are compared, then C of k plus plus, k is initialized with 0, equals to A of I plus plus. I hope this statement is clear. Else C of k plus plus equals to B of j plus plus. Otherwise bj will be initialized. So we have done here, while if there are more elements in array A, then the remaining elements are to be stored. While I is less than n, C of less than m, this is m. C of k plus plus equals to A of I plus plus. And if the second array is having more elements, while j is less than n, then C of k plus plus equals to B of j plus plus. Now we are going to display the merged array. Merged array elements are for I equal to 0, I is less than m plus n, I plus plus, system dot out dot println C of I. So this is the end of main and this is the end of the class. The program is complete. Now I will be saving this program with the name as merge.java. Now let us go and look here. Java C merge. If there are any errors during compilation, we will be able to see the errors. There are no errors. No. Now I will be doing the execution. Java merge. Let me take the size of the first array. As I had given you the example, the size of the first array is 4. The size of the second array is 5. Now the elements of the first array were 4, 6, 12 and 16. 4, 6, 12 and 17. Sorry. And the elements of the second array were 8, 13, 15, 18 and 25. Now see the final merged array. How many elements are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all of them are arranged in ascending order. Here there are 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. That means we have got the correct answer. So this is the program of merging two single dimensional sorted arrays A and B into the third array C. And I have shown you the correct output here. I hope all of you must have understood. Thank you, children.